Hi, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you another hair video where I'm going to make some flat twists on my hair. It's a bit moist. Then I used my Afro comb, this one, to make a line over here. Well, just a little cut, and then from there I divide my hair going downwards like this. So the middle of my head has shorter hair than at the front and at the back, so that's always a challenge. So I'm gonna hold this to one side with a scrunchy band like that. Then I'm gonna comb through this other section. I'm using some coconut oil. It helps to detangle my hair, though I don't necessarily need it to be fully detangled. Just need it to be straightened out a little bit. So I have pretty kinky hair. It's a little bit hard to detangle, but I found that coconut oil always helps to when I'm trying to detangle it. So the middle of my hair is the section that I want to concentrate on, like that. That's okay. So now I'm gonna do the flat cornrows. So I start from this section. I had tried to demonstrate this again. So you need 2 strands of hair, then you will go adding as I continue. So this is the first one, this is the second one. So I'll tuck the first one under the second. I'll tuck that under the second one. Then I hold with my arm and I keep repeating that process until a flat cornrow starts to appear like this one. So as I continue now, I'm holding more hair with both hands and using, this is my right hand, yes, I'm using my right hand to like separate, so that I have some hair I'm holding. See, like this is now what I'm holding on my right hand. My left hand is trying to separate as well, so that I can have a neat cornrow. So this is coming together. So I'm gonna do that for the rest of my hair. Now I can change the direction of which hand is holding where, because I've reached the corner. This takes practice, so don't feel discouraged if you can't get it the first time. Just pause, go back, and watch the technique again. I'm trying to be as easy as I can be. I like this style because it also stretches out my hair. So tomorrow if I want to do a bun or another style that needs my hair to be stretched out, it really helps. So let me show you the back. Then as I finish, I'm gonna make a twist at the end here. So I'm gonna twist out my hair at the end. So you see, I didn't need to have my hair very straightened out. It just needs to be, well, to comb it through a little. So yeah, that's the first one done. So this is why I separated, so that we can have the design here at the front. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the same on this section. Use coconut oil to help detangle my hair a little, and it also moisturizes and keeps that moisture in throughout the day. So if I'm going out in the sun like I am today, because I'm going the second day of the business expo here in Kikuyu, I will be standing in the hot sun for a few hours. I need my hair to be moisturized. See, it helps. The coconut oil helps to, it's easier to comb through my hair, and I have used the coconut oil. Yeah, so we're gonna do the same on this side. I'll try again to demonstrate how I start the cornrow. So take like two two strands, if I can call them strands of hair. That's the first one. Remember on this side I have more hair, so I'll take larger strands or segments of the hair, and that's the second one. So on this side now, the hands, the roles of the hands are reversed. So this one will be tucking, then separating. So this, the first hand holds the right hand holds the strand, tucks it under, and then the left hand is the one that will be taking more hair and scooping. So that's the technique. Make sure you hold all the hair. So this will be the line will be at the middle of this section. So you don't want it to be too towards the ear too much, because it means you'll miss a lot of hair from the middle of the head. So it's almost, you do it at the middle of your hair or of that section. Yeah, so I hope this is somehow understandable and you might be able to follow along. So you're just grabbing and tucking the other section, grab and tuck the other section as you go. So then at the back we're gonna make that flat twist. Sorry, the twist. What I'm making are the flat twists. Then at the back we're gonna make the twist. Yeah, so this takes you less than 10 minutes. You can add any accessory that you want. Yes. Mom. Yes. So, so yeah, I'm done with that style. I will try and get the little strands combed in. So the coconut oil, actually for this I don't even use gel. The coconut oil is enough. Yeah, so you can see my two strands at the back. I'm gonna hold them up with a bobby pin, and that will be my hairstyle for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to our channel, like, share with your friends, your family, and do stick around for more content. As I said, I'm Jessica Wanjiko. I'm the co-founder of Malkia Nutrition, and we're trying to go to share a lot of information on food, information, lifestyle, how to do your natural hair, how to use organic products on your hair. So stick around for more content. Bye bye.